And there is open revolt in Congress party once again. Top of this edition of news, getting you more details on how the party workers have geared out the Congress headquarters in Assam in protest against the leadership for depriving Congress candidates and giving the seat to AIUDF. So cracks emerging within the Congress once again, this time from poll-bound Assam. Anirudh, my colleague, getting us more details on the same, joining us on the broadcast this morning. Good morning, Anirudh. Tell us more about the latest cracks emerging within the Congress. We've seen a similar situation, a lot of dissent growing within the Congress as far as its alliance decisions are concerned. That's what we saw in West Bengal as well. But what are you picking up?
Yes, here you can see right now I am at the Rajiv Bhavan here in Guwahati, and people in large number have gathered here to protest against the Congress leadership for depriving the candidate from Gauripur constituency. He was a strong aspirant of the Congress party, but the Congress party have decided to give the seat away to the AIUDF as per the seat sharing agreement. So after the seat sharing agreement, now there have been a lot of resentment among the Congress supporters from the Gauripur constituency. And this is not the only scenario from Gauripur constituency, but Congress supporters in many constituencies have vandalized the offices and have raised their demands that the Congress party should not have allied with the AIUDF in this election. I would try to get in some voices of the people. As आप लोगों का क्या कहना है? आप लोगों के कैंडिडेट को टिकट नहीं दिया?
अबुल मियां लगेगा हमें।
अबुल मियां को टिकट नहीं दिया गया है।
टिकट नहीं दिया, अब हम टिकट मांग रहा है।
वो सीट
टिकट मिलेगा तो वो जीतेगा।
अलायंस में वो सीट AIUDF को दिया है। इस पर क्या
हम यूडीएफ को नहीं मानता है, हम यूडीएफ को नहीं मानता है। हम कांग्रेस करता है, कांग्रेस करेंगे। सरकार कांग्रेस होगा तो हमारा पार्टी कांग्रेस होना चाहिए।
तो अभी आप लोग यहाँ पर जो धरना पर बैठे हुए हैं, आप लोग की मूल डिमांड क्या है? आप लोग
हमारा डिमांड है कांग्रेस का टिकट चाहिए, अबुल मियां का। अबुल मियां टिकट मिलेगा तो कांग्रेस जीत जाएगा।
So as you can see, there are a lot of resentment among the Congress supporters, and now as they sit on this dharna here, more than 200 people have gathered here outside the Congress headquarters of Assam, the Rajiv Bhavan in Guwahati, and they are demanding that the Congress leadership, AICC General Secretary Jitendra Singh, APCC President Ripun Bora, and all the top leadership of the Congress party who have joined hands with the AIUDF should come here and reply to them. Studio.
All right, so at least 100 of those party workers there staging a protest outside the party headquarters. Anirudh, also help us understand what exactly is the reaction that the Assam Congress leadership is giving at this point in time, because certainly it's not like they're not aware of the current situation. They're, of course, in alliance with AIUDF along with 6 other parties, but 100 is not a small number. So what kind of reactions are they giving out?
Yes, as of now, the Congress leadership have not arrived here in the office, and earlier also on several occasions, whenever they were asked about the AIUDF alliance and the resentment that is quite visible among the people of the state as well as the Congress party workers in general, they have been always dismissive of this very idea that according to them no Congress workers will come out and openly revolt. But the picture is quite different, as here you can see people in large number have come inside the Congress office and they are now raising their voice openly against the Congress leadership. A very clear revolt against the party leadership can be seen here, and if the Congress party fails to address the issues and concerns of the party workers now, then definitely there will be a lot more to see in the picture that will be clear on the 2nd of May. Studio.
And perhaps the Congress must really act soon, because that's something several other parties are facing. Disappointing their candidates, not denying them tickets, is something that is forcing these candidates to cross over to other parties as well, and that's something that the Congress must also be concerned about. Anirudh.
Lagi